Well, it's only 4:30, so I have time, but this is an interim view of things. We got 6 volts going to the heater for the smoke, and that's with bypassing my resistor, which is a little unfortunate. I also have a leak out the front of the smoke box. You can see smoke coming up the top, but you also see smoke coming out the front, so I gotta patch that. That's usually a thin wall issue from the printing, and I glue that up and it's fine. We also have the fan, the cooling fan is running. You can't see the blades because they're turning. And then the engine just fell over. And I also have the chuff sound. I can do it manually. Now, eventually we'll have our sensor wired in. I have one here. We're going to test out here in a few minutes, and then I'll set that up. I don't have the Motor On Detector yet. I have to build one for this engine, but I will shortly, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll have all those pieces hooked up and doing their thing. Slowly but surely. I had something wrong here. I took it out, tested it, put it back in, it worked. I don't know what was going on. I did the adjustment off engine and got it set, and so now we're getting the right voltage in for the piece, so that should be okay now. And we'll just continue down the road, see what comes out of here. I have to get the Motor On Detector. That's the key to make everything work. So okay, this is interesting. I guess it's sort of like you're seeing Frankenstein, where he can twitch one arm, you know, and blink an eye. But we're still working on him. All right, this is it. He's okay. He can breathe. He's got a hole in the lung and that kind of. Okay. Let's not get too carried away. But we are there. The trucks and the wiring, the power control, the motor's working fine. The gearbox and everything, the ball bearings and all that, smooth sailing, very nice. Soundboard's up, the heater's up, the fan motor's up. So a lot of goodness here. You got to get that trigger and the Motor On Detector, and then we'll be more operational. So I got an hour to go. We'll see what comes of that, and I'll get back to you. And then we'll have 3 engines. Isn't that nice? Yes, 3 engines, and then what we'll just be doing is going over them for reliability and functional and fitment. Yeah, build everything up, make sure they fit in the shell, they fit in the body we built for it, and then we can send them to the owners and they can finish them. Okay, later, gang.